Well, children, yesterday we have seen some questions of exercise number 1.4. So, what was we were solving some uh, properties of the rational number. Now today, again, whatever the problem was left, so we will start from there. Now question number 4, we will start question number 4. In this one, question is the sum of the two rational number is -8. If one of the number is -13/7, find the other. What is given? Sum of the two rational number is given how much? -8. -8. Sum of two rational number is -8 and one of the number is given -13/7. -13/7. So find out the other rational number. So other rational number we have to find out. Clear? What is given? Just see in the question. Sum of the two rational number is given -8, and out of these two rational number, one of the number is -13/7. So find out the other rational number. So to find out this one, let this number. So let the other rational number be x. तो जो नंबर हमको फाइंड आउट करना उसको हमने लेट कर लिया, दैट इज x. नाउ सम, दिस इज सम ऑफ द नंबर. So if we add first number and second number, the result should come -8. So accordingly make the fraction. So x plus -13/7 is equal to -8. This is according to the question, because in the question what is given? Sum of the two number is -8. Now find out the value of x. So transpose this number to that side. So x is equal to -8. This is plus. So here it will become -13/7. So solve this one. -8, open this bracket, minus plus 13/7. So minus, take the LCM. LCM will become 7. So minus 56 plus 13. So subtract 6 minus 3 3 and 5 minus 1 4. Since bigger number is negative, so this will be negative. This is the -43/7. So this is the answer of this question. -43/7. So this way you can solve this problem. Now we will see the next problem, question number 5. Question number 5 is this is the answer. So other rational number x intrinsic is value, so other rational number is equal to minus 43/7. So next question. Question number 5. What should be added to 2/5 to get -3/2? What should be added to the 2/5? 2/5 में क्या ऐड कर दिया जाए कि -3/2 हो जाए? So let x should be added. किस नंबर में? 2/5 में. So according to question, what will become? x में 2/5 अगर जोड़ दिया जाए तो it should become -3/2. So x plus 2/5, it should become -3/2. This is the question. To find out the value of same way, -3/2, transpose this number to the right side, so it will become -2/5. Solve this one. 2 and 5 LCM 10, -15 -4. So since both are the negative number, so you will have to add 19/10. This will be the answer of. So 2/5 में अगर इतना ऐड कर दिया जाएगा तो it will become -3/2. So -19/10. Clear. So x, this is value of x. So this is the answer. Now see the question number 6. Question number 6. What should be added same way to -3/2 5 to get 3/7? What should be added to -3? Let same way x should be added. So according to question, what the question will come? What should be added to x? It is given here -3/5 to get 3/7. Minus x plus -3/5 minus 3/5, it should become how much? 3/7. Now x is equal to this, take this side, so 3/7 minus 3/5. Take the LCM 35, 7 5 are 35, 5 3 are 15, minus 5 7 are 7 minus, so -21. Open the bracket, 21, 35, so this is 36/35. So the answer of this question number 6 is 36/35. So this is the answer. Let us move to the next question, question number 7. It looks, question number 7. What should be subtracted from 5/6? See, the previous problems was what should be added. Now in this one, what should be subtracted from 5/6 to get same way. 5/6 में क्या घटा दिया जाए कि ये -2/3 हो जाए. So what should be subtracted? Same way, let x should be subtracted. x should be subtracted. So x should be subtracted from 5 by 6 to get this one. So according to question, what equation will become? X should be x घटाया जाए, इसमें से 5 by 6, 5 by 6 minus x is equal to, it should come minus 2 by 3. Now in this one also find out the value of x. But since it is minus, so both the numbers take one side and x should be one side. So this is negative x. So if this way this number you are taking this side, so it will take x that side and this number this side. So 5 by 6, this is plus minus 2 by 3 is equal to, this is minus x, so it will become x. Now this side again take the LCM, it will become 6. So 5 plus minus 2 to the 4, minus 4 x. So 5 minus 4 upon 6 is equal to x. So 1 upon 6 is equal to x. So answer is 1 by 6. So अगर इसमें से 1 by 6 घटा दिया जाए, so it will become 2 by 1 by 6, 4 by 6, 2 by minus 2 by 3, 6, 3 by 2. It is question of 7, 7. It should come now. See here, what should be subtracted from 5 by 6? 5 by 6, 5 by 6. This is here what will come? Minus. This is the positive number. So here it is minus. So it will come 5 plus 4, 9 by 6. So 9 by 6, this you is here 2, 3 by 2. It should be 7 by 2. 5 by 6 to get minus 2 by 3. Now what should be subtracted from 5 by 6? Now you have taken x should be subtracted to 5 by 6 minus x is equal to minus 2 by 3. So 5 by 6, take this number to this side, minus 2 by 3. So it will become x 3, 6 was the 5, 3 to the minus 4 plus 4, 9 by 6. So what the answer is coming? And you can check this one also, 5 by 6 to get minus 2 by 3. So 5 minus 4 by 6 minus 2 by 3. So answer will become this is the answer of this question number 7. Next, what should be subtracted from 11 by 15 to get minus 3 by 15? Question number 8. What should be subtracted from minus 11 by 15? So let x should be subtracted. So according to question, what should be subtracted from minus 11 by 15? So minus 11 by 15 minus x is equal to, it should come minus 3 by 15, minus 3 by 15. So same way, this x take that side, so it will give the x, and this number you take this side, since it is positive here, so it will become minus 11 by 15 plus minus 3 by 15. So minus 11 will become minus 11 plus minus 3 upon 15. So open the bracket. Open the bracket. Minus 11 minus 3 upon 15. It will become x. So minus 15 by 15 is it will become x. So minus 1 it is coming. X is equal to minus 1. So no, it will become, see, minus 11 by 15 to get minus 3 by 15. Minus 11 by 15, x should be subtracted. So minus 11 by 15 plus minus 3 by 15, minus 11 plus minus 3. So minus 11 plus 3, it will become, here it will become minus 11 minus 3. So it will become minus 14 upon 15. So it will minus 11 plus minus minus. So minus 11 minus 3 minus 14 upon 15. So it will become minus 14 upon 15. So exercise number 4, 8 by 15 it is coming. So again you just check माइनस 11 बाई 15 में क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट किया जाएगा, माइनस 11 बाई 15 में x अगर सब्ट्रैक्ट किया जाएगा, सो दिस शुड बिकम माइनस 3 बाई 15, माइनस 11 बाई 15, दिस हियर अगेन mistake is there. So this number if you are taking here it will become minus, this is also it will become minus, so it will become plus. So minus 11, so here it will become minus 8 by 15. Do the correction, minus 8 by 15. So the answer is minus 8 by 15. This is the answer. So this way your 1.4 exercise has been completed. Now move to the next exercise 1.5. Simplify. Some simplification is given here. So that you can do yourself. For the practice, take 1.5 question number. Take now 1.5 question number 1. Now start exercise 1.5. Simplify. Some simplification is given here. So 2 by 3. Question number 1. 2 by 3 plus minus 5 by 9 plus 7 by 6. Simplify. So accordingly open the bracket and 2 by 3. First open the bracket. 2 by 3 plus minus. It will become minus 5 by 9 plus 7 by 6. Take the LCM of 3, 9 and 6. LCM will become 18. 3 6 ja 18, 6 2 ja 12, 9 2 ja 18, 2 5 ja 10 plus 6 3 ja 18, 3 7 ja 21. Add 21 plus 12. It will become 34. No. 33 minus 10 upon 18. So it will become 23 upon 18. So this is the question of exercise 1.5, 23 upon 18. So this is the answer. Question number 2, minus 5 by 12. Question number 2. This is question number 1. Minus 5 by 12 plus 5 by minus 18, 5 by minus 18 minus 7 by 24 minus 7 by 24. This you have to solve. So here one thing you should notice that here one rational number which has the negative denominator. So for solving the rational numbers, whenever you are going to solve, first see whether the denominator is positive or negative. If it is positive, then solve with the rule. And if it is negative, first what you will do, make it positive. So making it positive, you have to multiply by minus to numerator and denominator. If we will multiply minus 1 here, minus 1 here, so minus 1 से multiply करने पे this will become positive and this will become negative. So if the denominator is negative, 5 upon minus 18. So before solving, you should be alert that first make the denominator positive. So making it positive, multiply the negative number with numerator and denominator. So here 5 by 12 plus when you are multiplying this minus 1, this you can write minus 5 by 18. Now all the numbers has become positive. 24, this is 24. Now take the LCM of 12, 18 and 24. What will become it? 72. 12, 6 ja 72, 6 into minus 5, minus 30. Plus, this is since minus, so 18 4 ja 20, minus 24 3 ja 72, 3 7 ja 21. So now open the bracket. Here minus 30 plus minus 20 and minus 21 upon 72. Since all of the numbers are negative, so add all the numbers. These 20 so it is minus 71 upon 72. This is the answer of this question. Simplify karna tha. You have done the simplify. So this way, two more questions are given you that you can do yourself and proceed question number 2. And proceed question number 2. Question number 2, simplify express in the form of P by Q. Next question. Question number 2. Time sum bata diye. Question number 2 of exercise number 1.5. Simplify and express in the form of P by Q. So first is 4 by 3 plus 3 by 5. Simplify and express as P by Q. So first question is 4 by 3 plus 3 by 5. 4 by 3 plus 3 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3 plus minus 11 by 5 this you have to simplify. 4 by 3 plus 3 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3 plus minus 11 by 5. This first open the bracket. 4 by 3 plus 3 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3 plus minus 11 by 5. Now 3, 5, 3, 5. So LCM of 3, 5 will become 15. 3, 5 is 15, 20 plus 5, 3 is 15, 3, 3 is 9. 3, 5 is 15, 10 plus 5, 3 is 15 minus 5, 3 is 15, 3, 11 is 33. Now open the bracket and solve it. 20 plus 9 minus 10 minus 33. Why number? The more numbers are there having positive and negative, first do all the negative number add and all the positive number add. After that, the positive and negative one will remain. Then you accordingly solve the question. So 20 plus 9, both are the positive. It will become 29 and minus 10 and 43. It will become 33, 43 upon 15. Now subtract from 43 to 29, so it will become this will become minus 14 upon 15. So minus 14 upon 15. So question number 1.5b. 1.5 question number, it is 1b. 1b minus 17 upon 72. So it is 2a minus 14 upon 2a minus 15. So this is the answer. Same way, in the question number, two more questions are given, B and C. Solve this one yourself. Next, 3. Evaluate the following. Question number 3. Evaluate. Question number 3a. Evaluate. Evaluate. What you have to evaluate? Some sums are given to you. Same way, this is no need of explanation more. 3 by 4 plus minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 5 by 4 minus 5 by 4. Nothing is new in this question. Same way, the value of this one is you have to find out, evaluate. So open the bracket and solve it. So 3 by 4 plus minus 2 by 3 minus 5 by 4. Take the LCM, 3 and 4, 12. So 4 3 are 12, 3 3 are 9 plus 3 4 are 12 minus 8 minus 4 3 are 12. 4 3 are 12, 3 5 are 15. So open the bracket, 9 minus 8 minus 15 upon 12. So here both are the negative, add this one. So 9 minus 23 upon 12. So subtract 23, 9. So here 14 plus 9, 23 upon 12. So this you can simplify also. 2, you can subtract this one minus 14 upon 12. So this way, one question is also left for you. Today just now I am going to explain that one also. So this is the minus question number 3rd A, 1.5, 1.5 3rd A. 3 by 4, 3rd A, 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3 minus 5 by 4, 3rd, 1.5 3rd A, 3rd A minus 7 by 6. It's okay. Now 2 7 ja 2 6 ja. So minus 7 by 6. This is the answer. So 2 more questions are left. Now what should be added to this and this to get this? Sum of this two numbers. Leave it. So till this much you complete your 1.5 and remaining we will see in the next class. Thank you very much.